You say it's gonna cost how much? Oh my goodness. I'll tell y'all in just a second. I had to ship these 2 boxes over to Patty Joe Cooks. I'll leave a link to them if you like cooking shows. And I don't know, I do that every once in a while with people. Let me put that down, it's pretty heavy. So I go up to my shipper guy. He's not there, he's got somebody filling in for him because he's out. Never mind. Okay, the first 2 shipments went out, everything's fine with them. This one here, he's sitting there and he types it in, he's doing all this stuff, measurements, everything like that, and all of a sudden he goes, "Oh my gosh," and I was going, "What?" I said, "Is it at least in 2 figures?" And he laughs. And I said, "How much is it to ship them 2 boxes overseas to Australia?" $380. Wow! And I said, "Nope, he's getting a small package." $380. I said, "How about if I just send this one?" He came back and goes, "Oh, that one's just $300 by itself." No, 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 no. I can't do that. But I'm going to get packaged to him. It's just going to be a lot less stuff. Got some Uncle Steve shake in there. Yeah, if you like rub seasonings, shake that stuff on some stuff and cook with it. That link's almost always down in my description box. Alright, it's Papa. It's PAPATexas back there somewhere. This is PAPATexas Unfiltered, I believe. Y'all have the rest beautiful weekend. It's Saturday. Beautiful weather. Alright, God bless. God bless the USA. God bless the world. Yeah. It's PAPATexas. See y'all. Yeah. That's a wrap.